Meaning of gigabit.
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 Gigabit. A gigabit is a unit of digital information that represents 1 billion bits. It is commonly used to measure the transfer speed of computer networks and internet connections. The prefix giga- denotes a factor of 10 to the power of 9, which is equivalent to 1 billion. In practical terms, a gigabit per second, Gbps, connection can transmit data at a rate of 1 billion bits per second. This high-speed connectivity is crucial for modern applications such as streaming video, cloud computing, and online gaming. Overall, gigabit refers to a large amount of data transmission capability.